We had a specific requirement of an application lab to support our business and a commercial office in the same roof. And we thought it was a good mix because one was a complete designer and other was an engineer by profession. Over and above that, they were fitting the cost, which was also an important part for us at that particular point of time. Here I must compliment the team because they were always open to different kind of suggestions which came from us. Not only of what is happening at the interior part or designing of the office, but also details in the application lab, which were very, very meticulous in terms of, just to give you a few examples in terms of electrical supply or, server, where it is going to be located, what is the positioning, whether we are going to plan for the future. The office space is very open. It gives a very open atmosphere and for the people to work, plus they have their space. They are slightly more than what normal offices you see, but that was the requirement of our French management. And I think I should also compliment the way our dining room is designed. It gives a different picture. It's very open, very colorful, and the walls they are beautifully painted by strategic points, which are the highlights of Mumbai. And this is what gives a very aesthetic appeal to our French people when they come and sit there, even to have a cup of coffee. The Pharma application lab is an FDA approved lab. So because it's an FDA approved lab, you have to go through an understanding of what does the FDA require. And the most important part is the team was very eager to go through all the permissions what have been obtained and required. So there was no shortcut in designing, there was no shortcut in compromising in the material, the quality of the product. Equinox Business Complex is a green complex. So a lot of time has gone into designing, the water systems, the flow, electricity, the servers. Here, the A3B team didn't shy away to get an expert opinion, and this is what we like about them. That if they don't know something, they'll say, "Okay, we don't know." We'll get an expert in the field and provide a proper assistance. I think this is the key to success because they were very open to our ideas and ensured that the job is done as per our expectation. And the entire team, not only my team in my office, but the entire A3B team worked together in synergy and ensured that the project was a big success.